2 armored fighting vehicles, 3 motor vehicles, and 1 Akatsia self-propelled howitzer. The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. In the Kupyansk direction, the attacks launched by ground attack and dummy aviation and artillery of the Zapad Group of Forces have resulted in the neutralisation of the enemy manpower and military equipment near Berestovoye, Sinkovka and Krakhmalnoye in Kharkov region and Rozovka in Lugansk People's Republic. In addition, the actions of 10 Ukrainian sabotage and reconnaissance groups have been suppressed near Tabayevka, Grianikovka, Olshana in Kharkov region, Artyomovka, Novosyolovskoye and Stelmakhovka in Lugansk People's Republic. The Ukrainian losses were up to 60 servicemen, 2 armored fighting vehicles, 3 motor vehicles and 1 Akatsia self-propelled howitzer. In total, 398 airplanes, 217 helicopters, 3,361 unmanned aerial vehicles, 410 air defense missile systems, 8,222 tanks and other armored fighting vehicles, 1,055 fighting vehicles equipped with MRLS, 4,300 field artillery cannons and mortars, as well as 8,798 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.